Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. By the name of Allah, most compassionate, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you? Today, our lesson will be about asking questions using will. It is lesson 5, unit 8, page 102 in the pupil's book. How to form a question using will. The first way to form a question using will is the yes-no questions. We know that we call them yes-no questions because the answer for these questions will be yes or no. The form of the question will be will plus subject plus verb plus the rest, and please don't forget the question mark. Example, Lena will arrive on time. This is the original sentence. It's not a question. We will ask about this like, will Lena arrive on time? Do you notice Lena and will, they switched places. We started with will, and then we have the subject Lena, then the verb, it's also infinitive or in the base form, and then the rest of the question. And don't forget, like I said, the question mark. We will answer with yes, she will, or no, she won't. We can also ask questions by using question words. We can form questions using question words like when, what, how, who, etc. The form of the question will be the question word, then will, then the subject, after that the verb, and the rest of the question. And don't forget, like I said, the question mark. Example, when will you send the email? Do you notice here the word when is the question word? Then we have will after it, and then you, which is the subject, then send, which is the verb, and the rest of the question and the question mark. The other example is, what will she do after school? What is the question word, will is the auxiliary, and then we have she is the subject, do is the verb, and the rest of the question. Here we have a picture of cities, a city in the future. And someone is asking, what do you think cities will be like in the future? The answer, I think they'll be cleaner and safer. How will people travel in 20 years? I think they will travel by electric bike. I want you to notice here they'll, which is the contraction of they will, and after the will we have the verb be, which is in the infinitive or in the base form. And here also we have they will, and the verb is travel in the base form. For your homework, you should do the exercises 1, 2, and 3 on page 86 in the workbook. Thank you for listening and stay safe.